Do you need to register for the GST HST account? Here's a quick video to let you know whether your new sole proprietorship business or your new corporation is ready for the GST HST account. First of all, you don't have to register for the GST HST account unless you crossed over $30,000 in revenue for the calendar year. Next, you can actually enroll in the GST HST account before crossing over $30,000 if you want to voluntarily enroll in the program. If you want to register for the GST HST program, it's as simple as calling the GST HST number 1-800-959-5525 and registering for the GST HST program with the CRA agent. Next, when you register for the GST HST program, it's very important that you register for your GST HST fiscal year end as the same year end as your corporate tax year end. The reason why is if they don't match, you'll have two different dates as well as a third date for your taxes to be due each year. That's going to be your corporate tax due date, your GST HST due date, and your personal tax due date. I recommend, again, getting your GST HST to match your corporate tax year end, and hopefully that's December 31st or January 31st. And also you'd get your personal taxes done within around March or April with those year ends as well. Next, you can choose your reporting frequency. Do you want to be a quarterly filer, a monthly filer, or an annually filer for the GST HST account? I can tell you this much, if you're good with your finances, you may want to be a quarterly filer for the GST HST program. Therefore, you may need a regular accountant like myself to keep track of your bookkeeping to keep you on track with your finances and your GST compliancy. The next thing you want to know is how much revenue you're collecting with HST on it. Therefore, you should make sure that you get an invoicing program or rely on an accountant like myself to keep track of your revenue. And it's also important to know the regional tax rates for your sales tax. What is the GST HST rate? Do you have GST HST in your province? Do you have HST in your province, like Ontario? It's very important to know your requirements for the GST HST program in your province. And the last step is file your taxes on time to avoid any late interest and filing penalties associated with late tax filing. Thank you so much.